Hello everyone and welcome back to another one of our videos. In this video, we'll be talking about the differences between RAM capacity and their speed as well as NAS drives. Before we begin, I want to remind all of you to subscribe and hit the bell notification if you're interested in more videos like this. It helps support what we do on this channel and it's completely free. So, we all know what a RAM is, but there's a common misconception that the more RAM you have, the better. Well, that's only half true. Let me explain. RAM is measured in megabytes, gigabytes, and occasionally terabytes. Now, what increasing the capacity of your RAM does is it reduces the need for your hard drive to store temporary files. But what happens when you reach to the point where it's enough for your needs? At that point, you may benefit more from buying faster RAM with the same amount of storage for better speed output. The speed of your RAM are ultimately affected by two things. There's the frequency and the latency of your RAM. Frequency affects the maximum bandwidth of your RAM, which is how much data can travel to and from your memory stick at a time. Latency affects how quickly RAM can respond to a request. Once you have enough memory for daily computing tasks, increasing frequency and reducing latency will be more desirable than packing in more RAM. With that out of the way, let's talk about how much RAM should each person buy. I would personally recommend 8 GB of RAM for students and office workers, whose primary use of the computers are its basic uses, such as surfing the web and writing documents. However, for gamers, IT and design students, you'd probably want to go with the 16 GB option, as your line of work or hobby involves using resource-intensive applications such as After Effects and Java. Anything higher than that would be for content creators or streamers, as they wouldn't want their games to lag in the middle of recording or streaming. Or they just want to render their videos quicker. And with all of that in mind, I do need to remind you that RAM prices are highly volatile. After all, what good is there in carefully selecting the right RAM to include in your shopping list, only to find out that RAM prices have suddenly skyrocketed? We will not be discussing the factors that manipulate RAM prices in this video. However, if you want to know more on why RAM prices change a lot, I recommend checking out this video from Tech Quickie. It's very educational and gives you an idea on what RAM is used for in the market. For this section of the video, we will be talking about NAS storage. NAS storage is a storage device connected to a network that allows storage and retrieval of data from a central location for authorized network users and varied clients. Simply put, it's a private office cloud which only staff and verified personnel can use. It's faster, less expensive, and it provides all the benefits of a public cloud on site. The downside, however, is that it's usually on site, and it can be accessed remotely unless there's a domain involved. This removes the security risk of some situations, such as an outsider like your visiting family and friends gaining access to your company's secrets by just logging into your email from your home computer while you have to leave for a quick toilet break. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you're interested, check out some other videos from us. Be sure to like this video if you did, and be sure to subscribe for more contents like this. It means a lot to us, and you don't need to pay a cent. Have a great day, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.